What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be replacing these headlights from halogen to LED. So here we have the Auxito LED lights, and here we have the low beams, and then we have the high beams as well. The low beams take the H11 size, and then the high beams take the 9005 size. So here we have the actual bulbs themselves. Auxito right here, really nice branding. We have the LED bulbs. You have the fan right there for heat dissipation. Here we are on the driver's side, and then the passenger side has a different way of removal, so we're going to get right into that right after. But let's start with the easy side here on the driver's side. If you come right over here toward the front, we have these two ports right here. We have the low beam port, and then right down here we have the high beam port. All we're going to do is just unscrew these just like so. Take out this cover, and then now we have access to the halogen bulb right there. So we're going to turn this kind of clockwise, pull out the bulb nice and gently. Get back here with both hands. It's a little hard to see on camera, but we're just going to unclip the wiring harness from the actual bulb right here. Press down and pull, and then it'll come right out. Things that stick out, and we're just going to insert those into the openings in there, and then we're going to turn it clockwise until it's nice and snug, and then we're going to hook up this wiring harness right after. So it's in its housing now. Now we're going to take the wiring harness and hook it up to here, just like so. All right, so here we have the LED bulb. All right, so here we are on the passenger side. As you guys can see, it's not as easy to access the bulbs from right here. We're gonna have to loosen this clamp right here. We're gonna have to remove this housing of the intake filter, and then we're gonna have to remove right here this little sheet. All right, so after some time, we got this all taken out, and here we have access to the LEDs right here. So what we're gonna do is pull these pins right here, peel this back, and then we're gonna do the same thing that we did to the driver's side. We have changed from halogen over to LEDs. Night and day difference for sure. If you guys would like to pick one of these up, first link down in the description below. From Auxito, use code Julio Mendoza at checkout to get 15% off your whole entire order. These are great LED lights. Just look at that shine. Huge difference from the halogens. These are going to make a great difference at night. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.